ANDERZÉN.
What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to channel ANDERZÉN. Today's video, we're gonna find out if the Resolone actually worked on the E420 and if the valve noise is gone. Right now though, we're gonna have a little skateboarding family time, so I figured I would include you guys and catch up to you guys after the fun B-roll. Coming. Alright guys, the skateboarding adventures are over. I landed 1 out of 1,000 kickflips, so still pretty good, you know? Yeah, right. Right now we're waiting to go eat at Dozone. We've been walking miles and miles trying to figure out what we wanted to eat. It's cold and he wants noodles, so we're gonna eat noodles. And it's also Chinese Lunar New Year, so Gong Xi Fa Cai. It's not even how you say that. Xin Nian Kuai Lua. And yeah, we're gonna have some food and then I'll catch you guys back at home tonight just to see. I'm very curious. The car's been sitting for a while. I want to see if we get our ticking noise in the valve train. And if I don't, maybe I'll try to drive it to work in the morning. We'll see. Catch you guys in a bit. You have a good dinner? All done, guys. No water, that's good. All right, you guys, we just got back from dinner. It's late, and it is Sunday right now. You guys are gonna see this Monday morning. Really, I'm just curious to see if the Rizalone made a difference on the cold start ticking. I'm hoping that it did. It's really what I want to find out for this video right now is did it make a change to that, or is it something we're gonna have to keep driving to get it to fully, you know, dissipate? But let's go ahead and start up and see what happens. Like I said, it is Sunday. All right, sorry, video got cut off, but as I was saying, it is Sunday now, and last time this car has been driven was Thursday. So see how it does. And I'm definitely still hearing something. Let's go check out the engine bay. Maybe not actually. Let's see. Definitely way better, but I do still feel like I'm hearing something. Overall, definitely much better. Let me go drive it around for a little bit and catch you guys again for a sound update. Oh, much easier to hear now. That secondary air pump is so loud when it's on. I mean, for those that watched the last video, definitely a dramatic improvement for the cold. I mean, it's almost not noticeable at all. So like I said, let me go drive it up. Let me go drive it around, warm it up a bit, and we'll come back again. All right, guys, it's been a minute or two. I'm still letting it just idle and warm up. It idles just like it did the other day. It's idles dead even. I feel like this is the best it's idled maybe since I've owned it, to be honest, which is a good sign, great sign. So, you know, something to keep trying to build confidence off of. But yeah, let it warm up a few more minutes and then we'll go. All right, guys, been letting it idle for a while now. Let's go ahead and turn this off. I don't hear anything from the engine bay. Only thing you hear is the clutch, like we talked about last video. So I'm gonna go ahead and drive it around, and I won't film that for you guys, sorry. The GoPro does not do well at night, and I don't have any type of light in here, so nothing exciting right now. I'm just gonna cruise it around, drive it, and maybe we'll come back, stop it, turn it off, and then restart it and see if we hear anything. Let's go. All right, you guys, been cruising around for a little bit. I don't have any reason to believe that issues are prevailing right now, knock on wood again. But it's damp out right now, it's cold, and the car's performing just like it should. So I'm just gonna keep doing some loops here, and we'll get back home in a second. All right, you guys, she made it back home again. Let's cut the heat real quick. You guys can hear. I do hear something that sounds like it's from the... There we go. That was a shifter being weird. But I don't hear any valve train noise right now, which is awesome. I'm definitely still hearing something, guys. Yeah. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but well, let's go inside and talk about some options. So guys, what do you guys think? To be honest, I was about to ask you guys, you think it's ready to start entering to the rotation again? Should I drive it to work tomorrow? But I think I've made the decision for myself now. I think it's just a good idea to pull the valve cover and inspect it and just see what's going on. You know, there's also a possibility that like one of the timing chain guides could have broke, could have jumped a tooth. I don't know, could be doing some weird stuff. So I think it's better at this point to just open it up, since the valve cover takes like 5 minutes to get off anyways. Just open it up. I have a fresh gasket for it, and I will inspect. Could be the cam oiler tube still, I guess. I guess I can't rule that out entirely, even though the behavior doesn't seem that way. But regardless, I haven't seen inside of this motor, so it'd be good to kind of get an inner look at it and see how things are looking overall. Don't know the full history of it, and I don't know what it looks like. So we'll plan on that. I will leave this video here. Sorry it wasn't a whole lot in here, but trying to get the videos out Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday is tricky, and sometimes I run out of daylight to work with, so that's why we kind of had to do what we did right now at nighttime. So appreciate you guys watching. Hope you guys chime in. Let me know what you guys think. Should I just keep running it? You know, is it nothing? Or do you guys agree? Should I just pop the valve cover off and at least inspect it and, you know, give it a good look over just to check a little more thoroughly? So yeah, my mind's kind of made up, but I'll let you guys chime in what you guys think. And I will see you guys on Wednesday. Have a couple jobs that we need to get done on the cars this week. And we have a big thing coming up this coming weekend that I need to get all the cars cleaned up and prepped for. So we'll probably have that for either one of the videos this week or for the weekend. So see you guys soon. Hope you guys have a wonderful Monday. Thank you guys for watching again, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.